Then again, Mr. Lamb said, "No, you should not think in that way." Daddy asked Mr. Lamb, "Are you not interested in me?" Then Mr. Lamb said, "No, dear, I am interested in everything, whatever has been created by God. Every object attracts me. I love every object or the creature created by God." And then Daddy was not having interest because he was thinking, "No, this is rubbish. No one can love everything." Then Mr. Lamb said, "Okay, tell me, what are you looking in the garden?" Daddy said, "Just weeds." And then Mr. Lamb said, "Yes, it depends on your attitude. You are seeing weeds. You can see weeds only. But I am able to see the beauty. Flowers are here, and beautiful grass is here, coolness is here, growing plants are here. So it depends on our attitude. So it depends what do you want to see in the world." And then Daddy was saying कि we both are not same. And Mr. Lamb said कि no, we all are same. We all creatures or the objects created by God, we all are same. And he makes it clear by saying कि we both are handicapped. I am having tin leg, you are having burnt face, and you are just standing and I am just sitting. So what is the difference? But at that time, Daddy asked, "Mr. Lamb, how do you means why are you having this tin leg? Please tell me about your problem." Then Mr. Lamb told that many years back in a bomb blast I have lost my leg. At that time he was working as a soldier. And then Daddy said ki, "But still one difference is there, that you can cover your leg with your trouser or with pant, but I cannot cover my face all the time. That's why people stare at my face and they hate me, and sometimes they show sympathy and sometimes they comment on me. That's why I have started to avoid the people." And Mr. Lamb said कि no, only your face is not here in this world to stare. So many other things are here, like crab apples are here, weeds are here, spider that are climbing on the wall. So many beautiful sunflowers are here. So why people will stare at your face? And then Daddy also said कि no, I know everything. Even my parents have told me such philosophical things. They have told me about the story of Beauty and the Beast, and they always told me that a person is called handsome if he is doing something handsome. Means the inner beauty is more important. And he told that I know the princess kissed the beast, and the beast changed into a handsome prince, but there will be no change in my life because no one is going to kiss me. Only sometimes my mother kiss, but she also kiss me the other side of my face. How sad this is. She kiss me because she is my mother. She is helpless. She cannot avoid to kiss me. So in this way, Daddy is seeing all negativity in all the things. But Mr. Lamb said, "Okay, it means you also want that you want to kiss the pretty girls." Then Daddy said, "Ki no, no one will allow me." At this, Mr. Lamb is saying, "No, this is unpredictable. Anything can happen in our life." In this way, Mr. Lamb was trying to tell Daddy that he should be not have negative approach to life. And then he was saying that why are you paying attention to the means to your face only? You are having the rest of the body is fit. And then Daddy was saying, "Is your tin leg hurting you?" Then Mr. Lamb said, "Yes, sometimes it hurt, especially in wet weather. It hurts." Then Daddy was giving lecture, or he was just trying to guide Mr. Lamb. Okay, no, so many people are here who are having pain but never complain. And Mr. Lamb said, "Yes, I know. I also not complain because you asked. That's why I am telling you." And then Daddy was saying that again he was trying to make it clear that some people are blind, some are deaf, and some are living in wheelchair, and some are not grown up properly. Their growth has been stopped. So Mr. Lamb was saying, "Yes, I know this is the reality of our life, so we should accept, and I never complain about my thin leg." And then Daddy was saying my face will remain same. And even I would be a old man, but my face is not going to change. And he gave one example कि one day I was passing through the bus stand, two ladies were talking about my face, and the one was saying to the other that see how ugly this man is, boy is, and the face is so dirty and ugly, and only mother can love this dirty face or ugly face. So Mr. Lamb said, okay, means you believe whatever you hear, so it is better you should stop to hear, because you always hear the negative things, and this has made you full of negativity. At this, Derry was saying, oh, Mr. Lamb, you are a strange person. And Mr. Lamb was saying, ki, I love the company of the people, and I love to stay with the people, and I'm not, that's why the gate of my park or my house is always open for everyone. And then Mr. Lem was saying that you can see some bees are here in my garden, and they are creating buzzing sound. But some people can say this is buzzing sound, but some people can say this is the music sound, and I enjoy when the bees are buzzing. So this is just like music for me. So it depends on our attitude, how we are looking the things. And then Daddy was saying, you are trying to guide me, you are just trying to console me. But Mr. Lem was saying, no, this is the truth, that we should like the company of the people. We should not try to remain alone. And even he was saying, okay, if you don't like the company, better you should lock yourself in a room. Then Derry was surprised, Mr. Lamb, what are you saying? And then Mr. Lamb said, yes, one person was there. He locked himself in a room because he was having the negative approach to the life all the time. He was thinking, perhaps I will meet with an accident with a bus, or a donkey will hit me, or a banana leaf, I will slip on the banana leaf and fell down, and I will be hit by the road and I would die. That's why he locked himself in a room. But unluckily, one day one scenery or one picture fell on his head and he was dead. And then Daddy was saying, why are you telling this story to me? How it is linked to me? Then Mr. Lamb said, I am telling you this just to make you clear that and you cannot run from the realities of life. So better you should face them. And then Mr. Lamb was